Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by ComputerZen. Today we are going to learn about a pattern which is half pyramid for numbers. So we are going to do this on DevC compiler. So let us continue with it. So before that we need to know what is a half pyramid. I mean, what does it look like? So I am showing you a sample. So we will go and search here. Half pyramid pattern. You can get the idea of the structure of how this pattern will look like when we are going to print it after the execution of the code. So this type of thing will appear on our screen. A pyramid pattern. This is the half pyramid pattern. So I hope you got a little bit of idea that what are we going to print. So now let's start with our code. So first of all we will start with include stdio.h. Then the main program. Here we will take the inputs, which is int I, j and the row, which will be the user input. Int row will be the user input. So we will print a statement to enter the number of rows. Okay, so on the next part we will scan this by %d and ampersand row so that this address gets stored in the memory. Then this program is actually of a nested loop. So this is how we perform nested loop on this program. So our first for loop for I. So I is equals to 1, I less than equals to rows, and plus plus I means I's value will increment by 1. Then we can see the loop for j. So it is a loop within loop, which is a nested loop. So for j equals to 1, j is less than I and plus plus j. Again we are incrementing j. I is also getting incremented and j is also getting incremented. So under this for loop we are printing the number, which is j. Here we are printing j's value. So this was a short program and we ended by writing return 0. So now we have to see what are the outputs for it. So first of all we will compile this program and give it a name. And see, there are no errors. So we are going to run this program right now. Now we take a input and the output will be, see, it is giving an error. It is not printing as we have seen. That means there is an error in a program. We have missed out something. So what it can be? We can see that there are no gaps. There are no line spaces. That means we have to include a new line so that each of the output prints in a new line. So we will print /n. I think now it will be okay. So let us see. Now we are giving an input which is 7. Now see, it is printing the correct half pyramid pattern as we have seen in Google. So this is the correct pattern program for us. Also, I want to say you something, which is if you haven't accessed all of these pattern programs before from our channel ComputerZen, please go and check it out. Also, I would want you to please subscribe to our channel. So this was all for our video. Please go and check it out, all these 2 videos. Thank you.